Hey everyone, Brad with Turnbull Tonics Adventures here. Today's adventure is going to be an unboxing. This will be the third unboxing in the Whiskers for Wellness, the charity auction that John, the Flying Beardsman, put on a month or maybe two ago. Special thanks to him and Juliana for putting that on. It was a well-run auction, had a lot of fun. So after this intro, please enjoy the unboxing, and we'll see you on the other side. Alright, so here's the unboxing. I'll start with the box first, since it's called an unboxing. We will unbox this one. So this first one is from Rogue Patriot Beard Co. And this has been quite a while now, so I don't know what I ordered. I don't know what's in here. I didn't go back and look or anything like that, so this will be as big of a surprise to me as it is to you. And we'll just rip right into it. Oh, tricky. Alright. That's cool. Typed up note. Dear Rogue Patriot customer, I'm not going to read all this, but basically, appreciate everything. And, yeah. Cool. So, there's that for you. In case you want to pause it and read it. I don't know why, but anyway. It's a cool little bag here. You'll see it says thank you on it. It's a nice touch. Alright, so we'll get into these. Alright, so Rogue Patriot, Brandon Glenn, much appreciated. Card, a cool little pocket comb that may go right into my pocket tomorrow. I'll have to check that out. That's cool. Alright, so let's see here. This is the Mountaineer, the balm. We have spiced orange in the butter, and we have the Mountaineer in the oil. So I must have got these as the set, and then picked up the spiced orange. So alright, let's try to start with the spiced orange. Definitely get the orange right away. I almost get a creamsicle. I like that. It's nice. Melts real quickly. Nice and smooth. Smells really good too. Alright. Smells like an orange. Freshly squeezed. If you take the rind and you like squirt the little droplets out of it. That's what that smells like. Little known fact, maybe some people know it, but a true pyro will know this. If you take the orange peel and you squeeze it like that, and you see those little droplets that come out, if you take a lighter and you squeeze that over the lighter, those little droplets will actually flame up, have little sparks, little flamies. So anyway, there's your pyromaniac lesson for the day. Alright, so back to this. The Mountaineer. That's cool. Got the little pump top. I won't get too much out here. I'm afraid to get too much. We'll just sniff it the old-fashioned way. right there. Rub that around. Get a cedar wood. It's the first thing that comes out to me. Kind of a cedar wood, maybe a little sandalwood, but more. I get more of that cedar. It's nice, mellow cedar though. It's very nice. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that changes over time. Alright, now on to the balm. Find that little spot. There it is. Find the secret spot. That's what she said. I may edit that one out, but we'll see. That cracked me up. That one has a little more to it, I think. And it should be pretty much the same. I think I get more sandalwood out of that one, for whatever reason. I don't even know if it has sandalwood in it, but I get more kind of a sandalwoody scent, smell. Must be cool. Really good in combo. All right, so that is the Rogue Patriot stuff. Some cool stuff there. I like the American flag and the eagle. Definitely cool. Made in Texas. All right. All right. Well, let's on to the next one. Let's see. Let's wipe off a little bit. Ooh, we'll have some more whiskey. Cleanse the palate, if you will. I do want to note that I am still waiting on one package, and it happens to be coming from Australia. So, but I didn't want to wait any longer to get this unboxing done because I actually have another one after this that I'll need to get to pretty soon. All right. So, Barbudo. Oh, nice. Vinyl sticker. Oh, you'll see that. Cool. And let's see what we have here. Alright, so the balm, I got the Dallas. So I can read that one right there. I don't remember if I got the same one for the oil or not. It's like Christmas, right? You don't know what's actually in the package. So this is the Sundance. So I did get different ones. Let's start with the Sundance. Alright. Find that secret spot again. Oh, yeah, bottle. I'm going to show you what that looks like. You? Let's do this in. It's like a little bit more of a floral one. Kind of a sweet. Almost like a fruity floral. Smells really good. I like that. Where'd my... There should be... Cool. I've heard good stuff about these guys. I'm looking forward to get that in the beard. Alright, then we'll try the Dallas Balm. That's it's almost like a sage? Sage or juniper maybe? Some kind of deserty. Yeah, I guess like a desert. I get kind of a sagebrush out of it. Not much of a juniper, I think. Those are definitely different. Totally different scents right there. It's kind of weird mixed on my hand. Awesome. Those are both really good smelling. Alright. So, I think I'm gonna take a quick break. Go get another paper towel. Napkin thingy. I'll be right back. Ha! Did you miss me? Probably not, because that's gonna get all edited out. Let's get on to the last package. This is the Chesapeake Beard Co. This is the French Crush. At the very end of the auction, there's an opportunity to get some of the French Crush. Trying to get over that last little bit. Alright. There's the Chesapeake. Alrighty. Beard butter. Alright, let's break into this. Oh, I'm gonna have to melt that down a little. Gotta love shea butter. I actually don't care for shea butter, but so good for the beard and the skin. It's hard to get away from it. That's interesting. It's like a kind of like a vanilla. Almost get some orange, maybe some tangerine-ish almost. Citrusy anyway. And there's something else in there. I'll have to figure that one out. Smells, ooh, whiskey. Cool. I'll have to get that remelted down. I look forward to trying all this stuff and getting it in beard. Some good companies right here. I think that's it for this one. Thanks everybody for tuning in. All right. Well, I think that's it for this one. Thanks to everybody that participated in the auction. All the makers, all the auctioneers, all the people involved. Thanks everybody for the support. Appreciate everyone. Until the next time, adventure on.